What is BPA? BPA is a chemical that we are exposed to every day, and many of us don't even realize that we are being exposed to it. Today we will be going through where BPA is and what its effects are. First of all, BPA is very common in 2023. It is a chemical that is used to create plastics. There is too many things that are made of plastics to list, but not all of them have BPA. Some companies that produce things that contain BPA have realized the controversy surrounding it and have hopped off of the BPA bandwagon. But the substitution they use for BPA has many things in common with BPA. The substitute they use is called bisphenol S, BPS for short. BPA and BPS are like identical twin brothers. They are identical and hard to tell apart. BPA is known as an endocrine disruptor. It is called this because it disrupts the hormones in the body, such as testosterone. Many people refuse to use products that have BPA in them because of this. I personally think that BPA should be avoided if possible, but it is extremely hard to avoid. Attempting to stop touching plastic phone cases, light switches, and forks is hard. They are also hard to replace. If you have the ability to cut out BPA, you should try it and see how your body changes. If you aren't able to, just know about how it affects you so you can make up for it.